What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage trade. And for this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leverage trade on Margex. Margex is a great platform that offers a lot of features, and one of the best thing that you don't have to do KYC. So for example, if you live in US or maybe some other countries where most of the exchanges requires KYC, this one does not. What you need to do, you just need to sign up, and I'm going to leave my referral link in the description below. So once you sign up, then you'll have to log in. So you press on sign up right here, just put your email, password, and then you'll have to verify through your email. And then once you do that, you'll go back and then you just have to press on login and then log in here. Once you log in, you'll be presented with this screen. So there's going to be a couple options here and some features that this exchange is offering. We're not going to go over them. Just, you can buy crypto here, and then this is leverage trade, convert with 0 fees, copy trading, earn, and then there's more. But we're going to focus on leverage trading. Also, you can download an app they have for iPhone and for Android. Right here, you'll just have to press on go to trade, and then it's gonna take you straight to the trading platform. So the best part also about Margex, and I don't think anybody else is offering the same thing, that you can actually use as collateral many different currencies besides USD or USDT. So like for example, right here, I chose USDT because I have a couple dollars there, and this is just to show you how to set up, open up, and close trades. And if you press on this little caret, there's going to be drop down menu. This is other coins that you can use as collateral. So for example, you decide to trade and you have like a XRP, Polygon, AVAX, or any other ones, and you don't want to exchange or trade to something else and you want to use that as collateral, you can. But for this video tutorial, I'm just going to be using USDT. So I already actually opened one position here. I opened on XRP. But here's what you do. You choose what kind of collateral you're going to use here. And in my case, it's USDT. Then in here, what you need to do, you need to go and choose pair that you're going to use to leverage trade. So I chose XRP to USDT, but you can actually go back here and you can scroll down through and find they have a lot of different assets. Or what you can do, just type it here. Like for example, let's do BNB or many other ones. And at the same time, you can see here how much X you can leverage trade. So for example, this one right here, maximum you can do 100X, but if we do XRP is only 50X. Still, that's a lot. I would not recommend trading, especially if you're a new trader. Start with like a 5X or something like that. So for this video tutorial, I'm just gonna leave it at XRP. I already opened up one trade, but here's what you need to do. There's a couple options: limit, market, and stop market. So limit, if you press on limit, you're going to be able to open up a trade at specific price or limit price, and then you can buy long or short. And then let's say market price, market, it's going to let you open up a trade at exactly current market price. So let's say right now market price is 54.13, 54.12. So if you're going to decide to buy or sell short or long market, then it's going to be at that market price. Or you can do stop market, and stop market, it's going to let you set buy stop and set sell stop. So but for this video tutorial, we're just going to focus on market price. And then also another option right here, isolated or cross. I would never recommend using cross, just use isolated, because if you're gonna do cross, it's gonna try to use all of your collateral that you have in your account, and it's also gonna set max to actually, like for example, let's set cross and then confirm 50x, and you cannot change that. So let's just leave it at isolated, confirm, and then right here, this is where you set up your X. How much would you like to leverage trade? And the minimum is 5x, the maximum is 50. So this is where you're going to be adjusting. And again, like I said, it's very risky to actually trade 50x or anything more than probably like 10x. And the way it works, and then once you get done, once you set your amount, you press on confirm. And the way it works, like for example, in this case, 5x, and then order cost, the margin, it's only going to take 20 cents from your account, and you're going to be trading as $1. So you basically borrowing from the exchange 5x of your margin, or 10x or 50x or more, whatever of your margin. But keep in mind, if the price is gonna actually dip, you'll be liquidated. So let's say, for example, I open up trade, here's one was already open. Like for example, this one right here, I open up, the price was 54.26 and then the current price is 54.13. Estimated liquidation point is 43.48. So as long as the price of XRP is not less than 43.48, I'm still good, I'm still in the trade. But if it's gonna go below that, I'm gonna be completely liquidated and my 20 cents or whatever margin that I open up is gonna be gone, wiped out. But in this case, what you can do, you can set up a stop loss. So let's say, for example, let's open up another trade. I'm just gonna leave this one going and then let's open up, so that way I'll show you exactly like how to do that. So in here, we're living at 5x. We're gonna leave it, let's raise that to $2. So it's gonna take 40 cents from my account and let's buy long. So when you're buying long market, you're thinking that price of XRP is actually gonna go up. And if you know, for example, based on news or based on your technical analysis, the price is gonna go down, then we wanna short or sell the market. But in this video, we're just gonna open up long. So I set up 5x. I'm gonna use only 40 cents from my account, and of course you're probably gonna be playing with more, and then I'm gonna be using like $2. So I borrow 5x from my margin and then buy market. So I'm gonna open it up. Basically gonna show me leverage 5x, size $2, margin 40 cents, and then estimated liquidation, it's gonna be 43.42. So if the price is gonna dip below that, that's mean my margin is gonna be liquidated. So I'm gonna press on buy. That's it. I just open up the order, and as you can see right here, this is my order. Then if we scroll down, so this is the one that I just opened up. Since price went down just a little bit, so I'm in negative already. Realize panel or PNL is right here, shows negative 0.0012, but it's just because I'm trading with a very little amount. Also, if for example you would like to set a stop loss, like for example you don't want to lose all the way, you're thinking about, you know, if you're just gonna play with this, you only can lose like 10 or 15 or 20%, you need to set up a stop loss. So to do that, you gotta make sure, press on this little switch right here, and then right here you gotta make sure that TP and SL check mark is here and then closed, so that way you will see this right here. So to add a stop loss, what you need to do, just press on add and then either take profit. If you would like to take profit, let's say we'll reach certain point and you just want to take profit automatically, so you press on it right here and you just set, for example, you know, 3% or 4% or the whole thing, and then confirm, and that's it, and automatically it's gonna take profit. In this case, if let's say it's gonna reach 70 cents, or we can add just a little bit more and then confirm. And same thing for stop loss. Set stop loss in here, which price or the percentage we can afford to lose. Let's say for this video tutorial, let's say just set up 25 or 26%, and if price is gonna reach this point, if it's gonna drop below your open position, and if it's gonna drop 25%, it's gonna sell automatically. So that way you're not gonna lose all 100% of your margin, you're only gonna lose 25. Then you press on confirm, and that's it. Your stop loss is set. And this is pretty much it. That's how you open up leverage trade with a Margex using leverage. And let's say, for example, reach to the certain point and you decide to, you know, exit out of your trade. Like for example, this one right here, we already made just a little bit. What you can do, you can either close by limit or you can close by market. So in this case, I'm just gonna close market. This is the price, and then confirm. And if I click on confirm, it's gonna close my trade. Position was closed, and we can open up right here, position history, and we can see that we open up a trade at 54.2 and we closed at 54.22. So it didn't even made a penny, but this is how it works. And you can also share your results right here. Like for example, it still says that I'm a negative, but I actually made just a fraction of a penny. And then you can go back here and you can see all your other positions in here. And again, if you would like to set specific limit, once it reaches certain amount, and then you're gonna close the order automatically, just set limit at what amount you would like your position to be closed, and then confirm. And this is pretty much it. This is how you leverage trade using Margex. Actually, it's going to be very similar if you decide to use any other platform as well for leverage trade. Concept is going to be very similar, almost the same. This one is just very simplified and very easy to use. If you decide to leverage trade, I'm going to leave link to the Margex in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and hopefully all of you guys can make some money, since we're at the beginning bull run, and this is when the time is start to leverage trade, or actually at least learning how to leverage trade, because in the bull run, when everything is going to be going up, you can make pretty good money by leverage trading. Thanks for watching.